In this video, you will learn the benefits and psychology of recognition and what millennials want to be recognized for. "87% of company recognition programs, which is a $46 billion market, are focused on tenure, years of service. This is according to Bersin by Deloitte, which is a leading research and advisory firm. Yet tenure-based reward systems, a 10-year pin, 20-year gold watch, etc., have little to no impact on organizational performance. It turns out that many of these tenure-based rewards programs are really legacy programs from the turn of the century when labor unions forced management to give employees service awards and hourly raises for tenure. Most large companies still have these programs today, yet only 58% of employees even know such programs exist. So for the most part, they aren't creating much value, says Josh Bersin, the founder and principal of Bersin by Deloitte. 83% of organizations suffer from a deficit in employee recognition, and only 17% of employees believe their managers know how to recognize them well. This also according to Bersin by Deloitte. And according to an employee engagement report done by Tiny Pulse, 79% of all employees are feeling undervalued, due largely to a lack of recognition and appreciation. Let's cover the benefits of recognition. Recognition programs done right can have powerful impacts on business performance. Companies that scored in the top 20% for building a recognition-rich culture actually had 31% lower voluntary turnover rates, and organizations with reward programs in place see a 14% improvement in employee engagement and productivity. This all again according to Bersin by Deloitte. According to Glassdoor.com, more than 80% of employees said they were motivated to work harder and stay at their jobs longer when they received appreciation for their work. It's clear that recognition has a significant impact on employee engagement and retention and should be considered as part of any talent management strategy. Millennials and recognition. According to Aon Hewitt and O.C. Tanner, 1 in 4 organizations find their current recognition programs are ineffective for millennial workers, and 38% of millennials would like to see recognition programs at their current employer improved. Millennials are accustomed to attention and praise from their earliest days and expect regular affirmation in the workplace. They also are prepared to switch jobs earlier and more frequently than previous generations. So employers need to take particular steps to maintain millennial engagement. This was said by Rodney Mason, GVP of Marketing with Black Hawk Engagement Solutions, which is an international incentive and engagement company. Ultimately, the purpose of recognition is to reward effort and to encourage greater and continued effort. Elevated effort and performance occurs when employees feel inspired and incentivized to do more. Being recognized in a meaningful and consistent way strengthens millennials' connections to the organization and encourages them to become high-performing contributors. Psychology of recognition. Science confirms that employee recognition impacts workplace performance. When people feel loved and appreciated, our bodies create oxytocin, the well-known love hormone. When oxytocin is present in employees, research shows that they are more trustworthy and perform better at work. Recognition also satisfies employees on a psychological level. After the human needs of survival, food, water, sleep, and safety, economic and physical security are met, the next needs according to Maslow's hierarchy of needs are love/belonging, which is social, love, family, team, and then esteem, which is importance, recognition, respect. So love, belonging, and esteem are humans' most valuable psychological needs, and they can be met through recognition. Recognizing millennial employees boosts trust, engagement, retention, productivity, and it satisfies at a psychological level. What do millennials want to be recognized for? According to the 2015 Black Hawk Engagement Solutions employee research, 85% of millennials want to be rewarded for exceeding personal performance levels, followed by receiving a promotion and exceeding team performance levels. Millennials are interested in meaningful recognition that helps them feel empowered. According to a 2016 Aon Hewitt and O.C. Tanner survey, the organization with effective programs for millennials offers 3 key reward vehicles: handwritten notes, experiential rewards, for example, event tickets, and thank yous from peers, managers, or next level managers or section executives. Is using compensation to recognize millennials effective? Short answer, yes. Compensation is associated with Maslow's hierarchy need of safety, but it's not a primary concern that millennials are looking for their employer to fulfill. Millennials will likely cover any compensation gap utilizing their entrepreneurial spirit and resourcefulness as digital natives. Beyond the threshold of what an individual needs to support their lifestyle, compensation is a weak motivator. Compensation fulfills millennials' basic needs, but intrinsic motivation can fulfill deeper needs. Is using promotion to recognize millennials effective? Yes. Promotion is associated with self-actualization of Maslow's hierarchy of needs. Career advancement satisfies the pinnacle human need of self-actualization, challenge, opportunity, learning, creativity. It's important to note that recognition must supplement and not replace workplace accountability, feedback, and goal setting. Thanks for watching. I hope this content was insightful and useful. As a top-ranked Millennial and Generation Z speaker and an Inc.com columnist, I help organizations lead, engage, and sell to the emerging generations, as well as helping them leverage today's workplace trends. If you'd like to have me speak to your organization or at your association, click the link in the description to begin that conversation. Also, if you'd like to learn more strategies and insights like the ones shared in this video, click the link in the description to grab your copy of my latest book, The Millennial Manual, the complete how-to guide to manage, develop, and engage millennials at work. And lastly, click subscribe to ensure you don't miss any future videos. Thanks again, and bye for now.